Let's get that junk speaker out. In, which I already think I showed you, Kona. So, stage is set, my tools, and I think there's only one screw holding this thing in, which is right here. Come listen to my podcast. Let's confirm that, because it looks like a 7-mil. That stays up. Nope, it's a Phillips. This has got to pop out because it looks like it's overlapping. So let's pull this out and make it fly. Yeah, there's nothing over here. So we're gonna do that mirror too, but let's first do the door panel. I grabbed from here. Typically, you can feel it. It's kind of tight, but I just pulled from this corner. Pulled, and pulled, and we're gonna go upward. So up and over, up and over. And there we have, here's the doors handle switch thingy. And let's squeeze this and see what we got going on. There we go, just a squeeze. Right in the center right there. And pull out. We're gonna get the casualties, the ones who are left behind, and put them back. You see, they came out. So we gotta get this one out. Just pry it out with a tool. I'll show you. See, easy peasy. Now we get the other one that fell on the floor, which is this one. Put them back in, and there you have it. We have our drill. We're gonna unplug this, and we're gonna show you how to, using this video over here, how to replace this and utilize this ring. I'll look for it online from you know who. Let's get the screws out and show you how flimsy this junk is. Safe spot. Get off. You don't need to see this. Hey, look, it's junk. So that's what I would use. Part number? Do you even want to replace it with the factory? No, I wouldn't. Let's put it back and pretend that we were never here. I'll see if I can find you the wire harness, and speakers definitely will be much better than this paper junk. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.